Life is short, and it's up to you to make it sweet. Well, you can. Gratitude practice helps you do just that. It's a simple act of acknowledging the good things in your life, shifting your focus from what's wrong to what's right. This could be as easy as keeping a gratitude journal, jotting down things you're grateful for, or even mentally listing them each morning as you start your day. So remember, a sprinkle of gratitude every day keeps negativity at bay. Ever felt like life's passing you by? Let's bring you back to the present with mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of focusing your attention on the here and now. It's about savoring the taste of your morning coffee, feeling the sun on your skin, and truly listening when someone talks to you. It's about fully immersing yourself in each and every moment. This practice not only reduces stress, but also increases the richness of your everyday experiences. Now let's talk about setting meaningful goals. Imagine you're on a journey. Without a destination, you'd just be wandering aimlessly, right? Goals are your destinations. They give your life direction. But it's not just about setting any goal, it's about identifying what truly matters to you and setting goals that align with your values. This gives your life a sense of purpose. Remember, being present and working towards meaningful goals can make your life sweeter. Do you know who your biggest cheerleaders are? They're the people who uplift and support you. In this journey we call life, the company we keep plays a significant role in shaping our experiences. Surrounding ourselves with positive influences, those who inspire and motivate us, can truly enhance our sense of well-being. So cultivate these relationships. Cherish the bonds that bring joy and positivity into your life. But remember, as much as we value others, it's equally important to value ourselves. This is where self-care comes into play. It's not merely about spa days or indulgent treats. It's about nourishing your body with healthy food, your mind with enriching thoughts, and your soul with activities that spark joy. It's about rest and rejuvenation, about acknowledging your emotional and mental state, about listening to what your body needs. With a circle of positivity around you and self-care rituals, you're on your way to a sweeter life. Isn't life too short to stay within your comfort zone? Let's add some spice with a dash of adventure and a sprinkle of giving back. Adventure, my friends, is the zest of life. It's about stepping out from the familiar and diving into the vast sea of the unknown. It's about exploring new places, meeting different people, trying out unfamiliar cuisines, and even learning a new language. Each adventure, big or small, broadens our perspectives, enriches our experiences, and adds vibrant colors to the canvas of our life. But let's not forget, while we're out there seeking our own adventures, there's also a world that could use a helping hand. Giving back is an adventure of its own kind, a journey toward fulfillment and purpose. Whether it's volunteering at a local shelter, mentoring a young mind, or simply lending an ear to someone who needs it, every act of kindness counts. Seeking adventure and giving back, you'll soon discover, are key ingredients to a sweet life. Ready to turn your life into a delicious feast of experiences? It's time to learn, grow, and stay positive. Just as a tree flourishes by constantly reaching for sunlight and adapting to the changing seasons, we too can thrive by continuously seeking opportunities for learning and personal growth. There's a world of knowledge out there waiting for you to tap into, and each new skill or perspective you acquire can add a new flavor to your life's feast. But it's not just about growth. It's also about acknowledging how far you've come. Celebrate your achievements, big and small. Toast to the challenges you've overcome, the milestones you've reached, and the person you've become. Every accomplishment is a testament to your resilience and a cause for celebration. Now, maintaining a positive attitude is crucial. Life, like the weather, has its fair share of storms and sunny days. But remember, a positive outlook is like an umbrella in a downpour or a shade in the scorching heat. It shields you, keeps you comfortable, and most importantly, it helps you keep moving forward. So focus on the positive aspects of life, the moments of joy, the successes, and the lessons learned from failures. And remember, life is short and it's up to you to make it sweet. Louise Delany. So go ahead, make your life the sweetest it can be.